Puppy. Puppy?
What do you want, Dora?
Can we go buy a fidget spinner?
No.
Why not?
Because we're poor. I can't afford you one, Dora.
But Puppy, we get paid by Nickelodeon.
I don't give a taco. If Nickelodeon pays us, then why do we wear the same clothes every day and you dress like a poor slut? Now go explore. I don't want you to mess with me again.
No puedo creer.
I'm going to check my dad's bank account because I stole the card. Hiya. Woohoo! I have enough money to buy a fidget spinner. Now I'm gonna purchase a fidget spinner on Amazon. Yeah. Where's my fidget spinner? Underestimate me fidget spinner? I need your help. Where's the fidget spinner? Boom trapaho. Here is my fidget spinner. Yeah. I can't wait to see my fidget spinner. Wow. I will try it now. That is awesome.
Dora, what is that you have here?
It's a fidget spinner. I ordered it on Amazon.
Can I try it?
Sure.
This is kinda addicting. By the way, did you use my credit card again like always?
No, I used Dad's credit card. He gave me permission.
I'm not so sure about that. Sweetie?
Yes, darling.
Dora said you gave her permission to buy a fidget spinner with your credit card. Is that true?
Oh. She will be so grounded. I told her I can't afford one. That stupid Mexican explorer.
Dora, how dare you use my credit card without my permission? Eso es todo. Estás castigada hasta que saca algo, anímate. Vete a dormir ahora.
För 45 wv6s7t.9,9,.